In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Jira timeline. Whether you're new to Jira or looking to refine your project management skills, understanding how to effectively use the timeline feature can greatly enhance your workflow. Let's jump right into it. First, let's head over to your Jira project. This is your starting point, the hub where all your tasks and plans reside. If you've been using Jira for a while, this will be a familiar environment. Once you're inside your project, direct your attention to the top navigation bar where you'll find the timeline option. Clicking on this will unlock a visual representation of your project plan, helping you obtain a clearer view of your tasks as they unfold over time. Now, on to creating an epic. On your timeline, there's a plus button labeled Create Epic. Think of an epic as your project's high-level task or an overarching milestone you want to keep track of more broadly. Once you click it, go ahead and name your epic. Choose something that effectively captures the goal or objective you're aiming for, then hit Enter to save it. With your epic now set up, click on it to dive deeper into the details view. Here is where you can start breaking down your project into smaller, manageable chunks. Just below the epic's name, you'll spot an Add option. By choosing to add a child work item, you're essentially dividing the epic into smaller tasks that serve as the stepping stones towards your ultimate objective. When you're adding a child issue, start by choosing the issue type you're dealing with. Jira provides a selection of options tailored for various tasks or issues, so pick the one that aligns best with your requirements. After determining the issue type, enter the specific details of the task that needs attention and press Create to place it under your epic. If there's a task you want to add that already exists elsewhere, you can choose to use an existing issue. This option is particularly handy for recurring tasks or ongoing work streams that are already well documented. Just select the issue you'd like to include and click Add. Once you've set up your epic with its child issues, you can close out the epic details view to return to the larger timeline perspective. Now, let's look at managing the timing of your issues. Hover your mouse over the right side of any issue below the month column. You'll see a start date and end date appear. By clicking on these, you can directly assign them to the timeline. After setting them, you have the option to refine or adjust these dates further. Simply drag the edges to modify the task's duration or timing within the project timeline. This adaptability is key, allowing you to accommodate any real-time adjustments your project might demand, and helping you keep everything smoothly on track. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully leveraged the Jira timeline to boost your project management efficiency. Like any tool, the more you use it, the better you'll get, so feel free to explore its features further. Thanks for watching, and happy managing!